Hey, hi friends. I am live now. Welcome to the 30-second live Q&A session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. So yes, I am live now. So you guys can come online and you can join this live session and you can ask your queries and doubt, guys. And yes, the announcement is that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. It's going to start from mostly in the month of January. Maybe the timing and the date will be subject to change, but the 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp is going to start from in the month of January, whether it's a second week or a third week, but it's going to start from in the month of January. So those who wants to register now for the online batches of 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, they can come forward and they can register themselves, guys. So yeah. Hey, hi Santosh. I can see the audience is joining now. Guys, you can hear me clearly, right? Can someone confirm me that you guys are able to hear me? So, friends, I'm waiting for you. Okay, thank you, Santosh, for confirming me this. I'm waiting for you guys. Please join the live session now. As all of you know that this is Sunday, right? And right, I do live session on every Sunday, guys, at 9 p.m. IST timing. So you guys can come online and you guys can ask your question. You can shoot your question. Yes, I can see people are joining now. So yeah, please join this live session, guys, more and more so that I can answer your questions. Okay, this is a 1 hour session where you can clear your doubts and queries related to career, related to right, which technology skill set is suit for you, right? And it's basically related to your career counseling, which you no need to like, if you wanted to connect with me one to one, then you can join my channel, career counseling, that priority membership, guys. But here you can ask your career related doubts, everything, anything you can ask, except I told you, right, some technical questions, because that requires a time, that requires I need to connect with you, I need to see, I need to see your environment and all that, those things I can explain you. Okay, but yes, you can ask your queries related to 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, related to the upcoming batches. So that is what the new announcement, guys. So most of you have been asking since, I am not sure, like 6 months or 7 months back, like, because all of you know that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch, it's very uh, a longer duration of a batch, right? So if you guys want to enroll now, okay, please go ahead and register yourself. That is what I can tell you. 100 days of IT corporate boot camp online batches, not the recorded videos which is available in my website, which is today is the last date for that one, guys, right? uh, so that if you want to buy the recorded videos, you can go ahead and you can buy it today itself, because today is the last day of the offer. Okay, so that also I can tell you over here. You can ask me question related to this 100 days of, if you have any doubt related to this one, guys. So you can see one again, I am going to paste the link over here, right? Correct. Okay, guys, because I don't want to miss a single question, first let me start taking the question. But one more thing, guys, as all of you know that whoever is new to this channel, they have been right watching this channel since very long, right? I can see their comments and all. So I request all of them that please subscribe the channel, guys. This is what I need it from you, because your support means a lot to me. And yes, without your support, I'm not going anywhere. And this is why I'm keep on putting my effort towards my channel, right? And towards the content what you guys need it, correct? So please go ahead and subscribe the channel. That is the first request I wanted to make it from my audience, that guys, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest notification from this channel. I am putting my days and night and with all authentic content which is required for you to get the job. Okay, or if you want to upskill yourself, that also you can do it, right? So I can see now Santosh joined. Thank you, Santosh, for joining this session. Ravi joined. Thank you, Ravi, for joining this session and confirming me that my voice is audible, right? Jinkya, Srikant, hi Abhishek, waiting for OS upgrade activities. Sure, Jinkya, those kind of see, I need to create a playlist for that one. But as of now, I'm trying to, I'm basically creating a course or kind of a playlist which is going to help for everyone. It should not be restricted for only few set of peoples. But my intention is very clear. You come from a IT background or a non IT background, you come from support, desktop support, application support, or any background, so you should be able to, you are free to work in any of the roles. Okay, basically application support role or a production support role or a cloud engineer role or a cloud ops role, right? So yes. So, and guys, one more thing, those whoever is buying my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, please go ahead and read the FAQ. But anyways, right? So but anyways, I said please read before read, without reading the FAQ you guys are putting the question, but no worries, I'm going to I'll answer your questions. Okay, so I'll take the questions one by one. Hi Abhishek, waiting for the, as I have answered you this one. Soon you are going to see the playlist for this one. Mr. Jinka, Ravi sir, I need mock interview. How I can get it? So Ravi, for this one, you need to join my priority membership. My channel, there are two membership. One is Unlock the Success. Another one is Priority Membership. So if you join the Priority Membership, you should be able to give your mock interviews. Okay, I'll schedule the mock interview and I'll take your mock interview. Okay, Pulkit is asking, sir, hello sir, certs necessary to get job? Certification is not necessary to get the job, but it is necessary to get shortlisted. It's not mandatory also. Okay, totally depends upon you. And I have told you many times also why certification is important, because some of the organization, I am telling you, not all the organization, like majority of the organization, they don't need a certification. uh, then only you are going to get the job. Important part is that if you want to get shortlist yourself, suppose some of the organization whose criteria is they only need RHCSA certified or AWS solution architect certified or a Azure 10 administrator or 400 certified, right? or like this. So they are different. So that is their criteria. Okay, so they give this criteria to filter out candidates easily. Okay, so that is what. So in this case, certification is only important to get shortlisted. Another part is certification is important when you have to negotiate your salary with the HR. Okay, so I hope I have answered your question. uh, the next question is, your content is really good, sir. I can easily understand. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jay, for appreciating my content. Okay, and at the same time, I request you to share this content with everyone so that everybody should get benefit of it, right? And ask them to subscribe the channel as well. Okay, that is what I needed. Okay, Pooja Prasad, hi sir. I have taken 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. I have sent you an email. Kindly share the license key for the VM. Okay, so Pooja, yes, you can read. That is what I told you, guys. Before buying the course, after buying the course, both the places I have written you how you can request me for the any sort of question, queries and all, or key and all, right? So for that, Pooja, I request you, please read the FAQ, because it's clearly mentioned that you need to send a mail. And as soon as I'll see your mail, because Saturday, Sunday, if you read in that one, I'll be fully occupied with my personal work, right? So Saturday, Sunday, I don't work at all. I give full time to my family, right? Family is also important, correct? So yes, so for that, soon I am going to share the license key with you. Okay, no worries. Mostly by Monday to Friday, you can expect. See, guys, there is a timing for everything, so please understand. If you are sending a mail at 8 o'clock or a 2, no, okay, so there is a timing from morning 10 p.m. 10 a.m. to evening, I would say 8 p.m. or like that, because I have an active job also, and at the parallelly I'm doing this for you guys. So yes, so you just expect a delay, but immediately, but I'm going to respond to that one, Puja. So you'll get the key. Everybody got the key. You will also get the key. Don't worry about that one. I can assure you on that part. Okay. So Pulkit, again, should I do solution architect to get a job? Pulkit, okay. So, yes, see, Pulkit, again, it depends upon, I need to understand. See, if you have seen my all career counseling, right? So, all the career counseling are not same. Okay, it depends upon, like, if you see, I can tell you how many, so many career counseling I have taken, and few of them I have published in my channel. I think more than 34 career counseling I have published in my channel, so you can understand that is a authentic data in front of you. You go ahead and see those career counseling. Every counseling is different from the other. Okay, so, and I have taken, because those have given their consent to come and publish their video, so I have published their video. But I have taken more than 300 career counseling. So I don't comment or don't simply give suggestion, yes, you go ahead and do the solution architect, right? Yes, I can tell you, Pulkit, you go and learn my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. There my AWS course is completed. Okay, so you can see that is more way beyond solution architect. Okay, the real time project and everything. But I need to understand you, whether you are fit for solution architect or not, whether you are fit for, okay, you have done the solution architect, but what type of a role you are going to apply. Okay, whether you wanted to apply for a DevOps engineer, whether you wanted to apply for a cloud engineer or a cloud ops, or whether you wanted to apply for a Linux admin, right? So like this kind of a stuff. So first I need to diagnose you, Pulkit, according to that. So for that, I suggest you please come forward, and I told you please join my channel priority membership. Listen very carefully, guys. Priority membership is important. Okay, so if you join my priority membership, then only you will be eligible for career counseling. Okay, I hope I have answered your question, Pulkit. Let me take the other questions quickly, guys. Pulkit Surai, sir, I moved to okay. So I have given I moved to IT in Linux. Can you help me? How can I join? Sheikh Ruhi. Sheikh Ruhi, I don't know means what you want to join. Whether you want to join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, or you want to join the new batch of 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, which is going to start in the month of January 2025. Okay, please tell me clearly so I'll answer. Okay, Pulkit sir, as a fresher, I need certification, right? I don't think so. First, you learn all the skill sets, or you can start with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. If you are fresher, please go ahead and learn the 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. And then, first, before doing anything, please connect with me, Pulkit. This is what my suggestion. Please join my priority membership, my channel priority membership. Again, I'm repeating. Then I can give you the correct path. Okay. Venish Babu, HR asking me to join 30 days, but my notice period is 60 days. How should I answer? Okay, this is one of a typical question, guys. I know. Okay, so answer to this question. See, there are two options, Vanish. Very honestly, if HR is asking you to join in 30 days, so ask them that can you buy out? Okay, if in your organization, like if 60 days is the notice period, so buyout option is there. That is common in all the organization. So you can pay to the current organization that you want to get relief, or you want to get early exit from that organization by paying 1 month uh, salary or something like that. Okay, so in that case, because see, it's total, there are two things. If your manager is okay to give you early release, that is what you can request to the current organization. If they are not ready to release you early release, okay, that you can do. And the other part is that you can tell to the other company who is telling you, okay, if you want me to join in 30 days, okay, I am ready to join your company in 30 days, but you have to buy those 60 days of notice period or 30 days of notice period from my current company. So they should be agree with that one. So, and if your current company is also mutually agree with that one, then you can go ahead and do it. That is what my suggestion for you, Venish. Kailas, Chandu, Kailash, please guide for fresher or non-IT to get job on Linux basis. That is what Kailash, my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp is all about. That one. At the same time, Kailash, I request you to go through all my. There are some videos in my career counseling that you guys know, right? There are almost more than 34 videos. Now it's going to be 40 videos soon. Okay, so nobody has done in entire YouTube a career counseling with authentically with a set of people, right? And that data is available on YouTube. But in my channel, I am doing for everyone. But you can understand, really, I have done it more than 300 plus candidate, right? People make fake videos in YouTube, and they are telling that they have taken 300 plus interviews or like that. So I'm not going into that one, but I have authentic data in front of you. So at least 34 videos are only on career counseling. Okay, it is already there in my channel. So please go ahead in that one. There are videos where people are from finance background, people are from non-IT background, people are from BCom background. Everyone is there, Kailash. So you can listen to them, what I have told them, and 100% a non-IT guy can get a job in Linux easily. Okay, that I can assure you on that part. And many times I have explained you why, the reason behind that one. Because when somebody is mentioning the job specification, right? So they are mentioning any graduate. They are not asking you that you should have a B or a B Tech degree like that, right? So very honestly, I'm telling you, if you doesn't have a B Tech degree or a B degree, or if you are right M Tech degree and all, but if you are a BCom also, non-IT background also, okay, you are, if you are a graduate, the minimum criteria is any graduate in a specialization sector. If you see and if you go and see, so it's mentioned over there, right? So you are eligible to get a job in Linux, which is easily you can get it. How? And you can get it a application support job or a production support job. Even you can get a cloud job also. But for that, how to go, how to do, okay, that you need to first connect with me through my priority membership. Second step is I have designed, go through my course. Okay. Once you have finished my course, okay, then you can give your mock interviews, and where I'm going to help you for your resume preparation and all. And once I'll take your mock interview, because my interviews are tougher than what evaluator is asking. Okay, so that is there 100%. If you are giving interviews, you're getting selection is way beyond that. 100% you are going to get selected. I have, it's already there with all my members. Okay, so that's what I can tell you, Kailash. Okay, Pooja Prasad. Okay, thank you, Pooja. Sir, Jai sir, is there any WhatsApp group is there for this channel? If yes, please share the link so that I can join. Jai, for my channel, there is no WhatsApp group I have created like that, because see, ultimately, uh, see, I created a process, Jai. Very honestly, the process is very simple and easy. I have Teams group basically where I'm adding my all the members to Teams, where they can connect with me. Right. So for that, I can give you this. Please see this one, Jai. Mm. Yeah, Jay. See, this is the one. This is the link of my channel membership, Jay. Okay, at the rate of Jay. Okay, Jay, I have given you the link. Please see this one. So, see, if you go through this link, right? One second, guys. Yeah. So where I was, yeah, Jay. So Jay, the process is very simple and easy. As I told you, I am a very process-oriented person, and I believe if you there is no structure, so things will not going to be there for a longer period of a time, right? So for that, Jay, see, once you join the priority membership through this, there is two membership: unlock the success, priority, the priority membership. Once you join the priority membership, immediately you can send me a mail. Okay, and then I'll forward you one link of my Teams group, basically my Teams, I basically URL. So once you click on that Teams URL, you will be redirected to my Teams, and there you can start chatting with me. That is how I have built the process. It's very simple and easy, and you are, once you connected with me, you are connected forever. Okay, don't worry about that one. So, and from there you can schedule you as per your availability, as per my availability. I am going to schedule your career counseling, your mock interview and all. Okay, so this is what I can suggest you. So okay. So Rahul, sir, I enrolled 100 days of boot camp. I am having 4.5 years of experience. Thank you, Rahul. 4.5 years of experience in Windows, VMware, and 6 months in Linux. Can I show 2 to 3 years of experience to interview after completing it? So you have total, see, if you have genuine experience of 2 to 3 years, then you can show them that 2 to 3 years, and you can mention it like that. You have worked as a senior system engineer, or I, sorry, my bad, guys. So you should not mention, because you wanted to show you 2 to 3 years of experience, right? So it's basically if you have already experience in Windows and VMware, so that is a very good for you, Rahul Bishwakarma, right? And my suggestion is that, because anyways, if you add, once you learn my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, so you will be get expert in Linux, you will get expert in shell scripting. So immediately you can put these two things and VMware knowledge you have already, right? So Linux shell scripting, right? And Windows knowledge by default you are having. And 6 months you mentioned that in Linux you have right worked or somewhere you have worked on, right? So according to that, you combine Linux, shell scripting, VMware, Windows. Okay, first combining all these four skill sets. Okay, and make a resume of 2 to 3 years basically. That is what you have mentioned, right? And you can do one thing. Then you can join my priority membership, right? And send me that resume to me. Let me validate that resume, that each and everything is okay, that see whether your skill sets are okay for 2 to 3 years of experience or not. If I'll be confirm that one, then I'll schedule your mock interview. Once you give your mock interview, now you need to tell me for which role you wanted to go for, because when you are going for Linux shell scripting and VMware and Windows, so I can push you for the role like application support or a production support. Even you are fit for a cloud role also, but I cannot push you directly for the DevOps engineer role. Okay, so you can go for a Linux admin role also, Rahul, correct? So you let me know for which role you wanted to go. According to that I am going to guide you, and according to that I am going to take your mock interview, right? So that is how you have to take it forward, Rahul. Okay, so again, Rahul, you asked the same question. Recently I'm working as a Unix engineer since last 6 months. Okay, that is good only, Rahul, that you have a genuine experience with Unix, right? So Unix, which operating system you are working? Okay, till then I'm moving to the next question, sir. Karthik Raja, hi sir, I wanted to know about the role platform engineer or client engineer. Platform engineer role is there, Raja, Karthik. Okay, basically there are different type of role is there. See, role is totally based on the client requirement. Basically client engineering is nothing but it's client requirement. Platform engineer role is there, Karthik. Site reliability engineer role is there, Karthik. Okay, DevOps engineer is there, which you are going to get it. Okay, so these types of roles are there. If you wanted to know what is a platform engineer role, so let me share you one, let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Okay, are you guys able to see my screen? See, Ravi, again, you have made a mistake, guys. I am telling you, you guys are joining my Unlock the Success. I told you very clearly, if you want to connect with me for career counseling, for mock interview and all, for that you need to join my channel subscription. Subscribed is different thing, guys. Member subscription means it's basically two types of member subscription. You can go through that video also, Ravi. It's clearly mentioned in that video that if you want to go for career counseling or a mock interview, then you have to join my priority membership. Okay, you should not join the Unlock the Success. Okay, so Unlock the Success is if you want to see the member only videos, so you can see, but you won't be able to connect with me, Ravi. Very honestly, I'll tell you, right? So I don't hide anything. It's clearly mentioned in that video. You can go through that video. Okay, but guys, let me know if you are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen? There was a question, guy, right? What was the question? Rahul, no, not from Rahul, it is from Karthik. Okay, so just see this one. Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen, guys? Can someone confirm me? Okay, thank you for confirming me, Jay. Yeah, see, guys. This is a role. Basically, now everybody is looking for, like, if you go for any client or I would say service-based company, where you are going to get so many clients. Okay, basically, Karthik, answer for you. So, platform engineer roles and responsibility is this only. Karthik, let me make it bigger for you. So, okay. Okay, so you see, this is the common question, guys. You need to understand the roles and responsibility first, then only. That is what I am telling you, right? So if you see, Karthik, it's clearly mentioned that roles and responsibility for a platform engineer, and this is exactly the roles and responsibility Bank of Australia need it. Like Bank of America is there, Bank of Australia is there. This type of a role they are going to ask you for a platform engineer. So the role is oversee MES ASRE activity, maintain Murex environment provisioning website. Okay, so I'm not going into this one. This is specific to their organization. Okay, carry out enhancement to maintenance housekeeping scripts as required and monitor the DB growth and periodically. So for this, what skill set is required? So maintenance housekeeping scripts, again, you are, see, that is what I told you, cannot leave Linux at anywhere. So for this, your Linux, complete Linux with server administration is required, plus shell scripting knowledge is required, right? Because if you have to manage your DB also, then if you have to do the housekeeping for your database and all, okay, there also you need to do it, because housekeeping doesn't, it's basically, see, operation role is DevOps also, if you see. Okay, now they have given the name, but if you are going into this kind of a role, so you should expect the knowledge 100%, your operating system knowledge you should have, with 100% shell scripting knowledge you should have, you should have database knowledge, and you should have cloud knowledge as well, guys, right? That is what I'm telling you from day one. Okay, so Linux and shell scripting is mandatory. Okay, so handles cloud environment preparation, refresh, rebuild, upkeep, maintenance, and upgrade activities, right? So I told you all type of upgrade activities, it's related to your network, it's related to your application, it's related to your OS and all, that you need to do it. Okay, whether it's a on premises infrastructure, if it is in VMware ESXi, or if it is in some of the cloud like AWS, Azure, or GCP, okay, that you need to have. So that knowledge you should have, Karthik, so you can understand troubleshooting of Murex environment. Basically, Murex is there, some application will be there, so that is what they are giving, whether it is a Java based application or a PHP based application or a .NET based application. Okay, so any type of application will be there. So for that you need to do troubleshooting. How you are going to do troubleshooting when your Linux is not good, when your shell scripting is not good, where you don't have knowledge of your database, you don't have knowledge of cloud complete, right? The architecture or the infrastructure knowledge, you should have the infrastructure knowledge of your cloud, and that is what I have explained in my AWS with real time project. Okay, complete real time project, how it should be, that should be there. And infrastructure related issues and update pipeline for a permanent fix. Okay, handling EOD execution and troubleshooting of issues related to it, participate in release activity and coordinate with QA and release term. Okay, team, basically QA and release team, that is what I'm telling you. See, understand a platform engineer role, it's more towards the Linux and shell scripting, right, and the database, correct? Understand, and your cloud infrastructure. See here, though they have, see, participate in AWS stack deployment, AWS AMI patching, stack configuration to ensure optimal performance and cost efficiency using cloud formation, Git, CI/CD, and pipeline and all. See, once you have complete knowledge of your, I can challenge on this one, your Linux end to end. Okay, because everywhere your Linux it's going to be used when you are when you are trying to store the logs also. Okay, in case of when you are trying to store the logs of suppose if I am telling you your application logs, so where you are going to take the backup of those logs, you have to take the backups of those logs into S3 bucket, right? So but you cannot directly mount that S3 bucket into your application server. For that you have to use some kind of storage gateway, right? So that storage gateway again, so this application server has different file system. This S3 bucket, we don't know what type of a file system, because you see it is a object storage, guys. Okay, so if you want to combine these two, again NFS is required, network file sharing or network file system. NFS is again Linux. So that is what I'm telling. Every time when you are going to encounter your cloud, or you are going to encounter any of these tools, you are going to get the Linux stuff. Linux is not only just command. Again, I'm telling you, it's way beyond that. Everything will you have to do it. Address ad hoc requests like warehouse rebuild maintenance, perform health sanity checks, create XVA and engine environment, restore backups in AWS. See, so what I just wanted to convey over here is right, uh, Karthik, that four pillars, basically four pillars. Please make these four pillars strong. Okay, your job is 100% secure. Okay, but if you are thinking no, if any of this, if see, four pillars is at least these two pillars are super mandatory according to me. Listen very carefully. There are something if you tell me, okay, see, there are few things which is very very mandatory which you need to do, correct? As you all of you know that if you have to build the house, foundation is mandatory stuff. Without foundation you cannot build a tall building. Okay, so same way here also, that you have to, Linux and shell scripting is mandatory. You cannot skip. Somebody is telling you that guy is making you fool, I can challenge with proof. That sort of a person I am. Okay, so I can challenge every step, I can challenge and I can prove. Okay, where and all, every topic you bring anything, because guys, I am leading, I lead the dev and DevOps both. They work under me. I have came across this way, right? I came across all the roles. So according to me, Karthik, understand this one. Linux, shell scripting, database knowledge and cloud, you need to learn. Then you think that you should apply for the platform engineer role. Okay, I hope I am able to answer your question and others also. Let me quickly take the other question, guys. I have missed out so many questions. Rahul Biskarma, I have answered already your question. Karthik, I have answered. Chaitanya sir, hi sir, I have 1 year and 1 month of experience in technical support. So now Linux should be good for me or not? Please consult me. How can I consult you, Chaitanya? You are asking me to consult me. Okay, Linux is easy or not? So nothing is easy. First of all, let me tell you very honestly. Okay, uh, I'm just giving you an example, Chaitanya. First of all, Chaitanya, if you wanted to connect with me, okay, so one way you can connect with me, you join my priority membership, my channel priority membership. From there you can connect with me. I can do your career counseling, I can take your mock interview, you can ask all set of technical questions to me. Okay, related to your environment as well, I'm happy to answer, but you have to join my priority membership. The answer to your first question, where you want to connect with me. Now, the second thing is, the answer to your second question is that, sir, Linux is easy or not? First of all, now you guys tell me very honestly, what is easy? Okay, why you see? According to me, okay, learning learning should be easy. It doesn't matter irrespective of the skill set. Correct. If I'll tell you very honestly, Chaitanya, if you tell me, okay, when we were childs, right, kids and all, right, so at that time we were trying to learn bicycle, right? So what we used to do, like us, most of us, like we directly don't started with the like full paddle, right? Normally all of you know that we started with half paddle, correct, Chaitanya? So if you have to do the half paddling, then we'll try to do the full paddle, right? So with half paddle we'll try to roll that, or first we'll take that bicycle with us, right? We'll make a balance out of it, right? So that is easy, do you think, right? So that is not at all easy. If you take a small kid also, who is of 3 months or of 4 months or 5 months, okay, or even he is 1 year, if he has to crawl, okay, he has to put lot of effort into that one, right? If he has to walk, he has to put lot of effort into that one, right? If he has to run, he has to put lot of effort into that one. But once he has put effort into that one, then things will be easy for him. Okay, so I don't want to give you false promises, okay? That, see, it's all about practice. It's all about our practice. You can go for any role, I can challenge you on that one. If you don't practice, nothing is going to work out for you. But if you practice, Linux will become a cake for you. Linux is the only thing, once you learn, so other skill set will become easy for you. This is the answer for your question, Chaitanya. Once you learn Linux with full of your honesty, okay, learn complete what I have told you with shell scripting, I can guarantee on you this one, okay, that other skill sets will become cakewalk for you. Other skill sets will become easy for you. But when you try to learn directly something, right, which is where, which is like top, if you see a top building, right, so 20th floor or 100th floor, right, so from the 100th floor, if you look down, everything will look small, right? Correct, everything will look small. But you have to climb to that 100th floor, right, or the like that. So answer is very simple. But if you directly want to jump it to 100th floor, okay, so that capability you should have with you. How you can go to the 100th floor? If you should go, right? So whether you are going via lift or something, but it will go from first floor only, it will not directly you can take a jump and you can go to the 100th floor. Okay, so answer is very simple, is that Linux is that only. Linux is your foundation. First start with your foundation. Once your foundation will be strong with shell scripting and all, other skill sets will become cakewalk for you. The jobs will be become easier for you. The work is become easier for you, that I can guarantee on that one. Okay, so I want to switch. Yes, you can switch to the company, Rahul. 100% possible. Good to see you, Rajesh. Thank you, Rajesh. I good to see you as well. I want to confirm all AWS courses are available in 100 days of, yes, it is 100 days of all complete. Way beyond that, Mr. Rajesh Singh. Okay, if you go through my course now, you are not going to get anywhere where somebody has explained database also. Complete database knowledge I have given. And the course, creating the environment in production environment for AWS, charging me $100,000 monthly basis for the DV, to show the replica and all. If I'll show you what type of a project, real time project I have explained you, nobody has explained like that. Okay, because that is the reality. How a production environment, how you need to work in a production environment, what all things is coming towards you, what type of a work you are going to get in production environment, right? So those sort of things I have completely explained in AWS. So now Linux complete is available, shell scripting complete is available, database is available, and my AWS is fully uploaded. Only half 5% is pending. That also I am going to upload soon. 100 AWS is fully uploaded. Okay, and now the DevOps soon I'm going to start uploading. Rajesh. So Mohammed sir, good evening sir. Again Mohammed, you are asking the same question. I told you, if you want to know all these questions answers, technical answer, please send me a mail. Okay, I'll answer your question with all the detail, or you can connect with me also, Mohammed Bashir. Okay, so Join the course, nobody will regret. That is what, thank you Santan for letting everybody know. See, that is what, those who are already taken this course, those who are already doing this course, they know the value of this course, guys. Okay, and I am making it available at a reasonable price. Nobody is going to do it like that. But since I also came from a very grassroots, from a ground level, so I know the value of money. Okay, so at the same time, I told you very clearly that just go through this course, you guys will not regret. That I can guarantee on that one. So it's I am, but the who is going to give you more assurity? It's you only. Okay, once please go through, then only you will understand. And there is an offer already running on, guys. It's only 999 till today night. I think today night is the last, 15th is the last. Okay, please go ahead with 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. I am going to paste the link over here. Okay, it is available. The course is of 20K. Remember, the course is of 20K, right? So but now the course is available at a reasonable price, because you guys have asked me, sir, please, because they see I don't decide these prices and all. So this is totally decided by the platform team. There only I have hosted my videos. Okay, graphic platform. So please go ahead and now and buy this one, because again I don't know when the offer will start again. So please go ahead. This is the least price platform team has offered to you guys. Please go ahead and buy this course, because the content is, you are not going to get it at this price at anywhere. Okay, so yes, I think I have taken Chaitanya answer. I have given Santan, Rajesh Singh, Mohammad Basir answer. I have given. Sir, hello, sir. I have given more than 20 Charan plus interviews till final round, but after few days I did not get any update. What should I do? Okay, so there is a similar kind of a problem one person is having, Charan. Let me paste that link to you. Please go through this video. You'll get I have did so many career counseling. Okay, so I have a complete playlist. 36 videos are available. I was telling 34, but now it is 36 videos. Okay, so see this guy, this guy was having the same problem, right? So yes, you can go through applying for multiple jobs but not getting interview calls, how to get a interview calls, or not getting selected and all, right? Those kind of a problem is there. Please go through this playlist, you'll get your answer. Okay, because every time I have explained, first I listen to that person. Okay, I have to diagnose that person, and according to that I give the solutions, Charan. Okay, so yeah, you can share this link to everyone. This is available in my channel. I am going to paste the link over here, Charan, right? So this is the link, this is the playlist where I have explained all the career counseling, what same sort of a doubt others are having. uh Muhammad Salman, guys, 100 days of boot camp, well structured, guys, and you will gain knowledge with confidence. Bro, one request after completing DevOps, please make planned DevSecOps. Thank you. Thank you, Muhammad. Yes, sure, there will be there. But Muhammad, one more, that is what I'm telling. Those who likes online batches, who wants to interact with me daily basis, and they want to do the 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, that batch is going to start from the month of January again, and that is going to be a batch. It's minimum, it's going to take 3 to 4 or 5 months, guys. So the month, see, I'm telling you the kind of knowledge you guys are going to get, I can challenge you, you are not going to get anywhere, guys. Okay, so I am going to provide my full support. I am going to give it to you. But for that, you need to start registered yourself. If you want to register for that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, okay, the registration is open now. Please go ahead and register yourself. Read this doc form, read this Google doc form. Okay, this is 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Okay, this is the Google doc. Let me write it down. 100 days of IT corporate, okay, boot camp registration form. Okay, this is 100 days of IT corporate boot camp registration form, guys. Okay, please go ahead and click on this link, register yourself in this. This is going to be, you guys will not regret. Okay, I can challenge. So any role, any sort of a role which you are thinking, which comes in your mind, is covered in this 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. This is an online batch, guys, so time is very less. Please go ahead and immediately register yourself. That is what there is. Read all the terms and conditions. And this is going to be minimum 6 months course. Okay, minimum, that is what I am telling you. Maybe it will be finished before also, but that sort of a knowledge you are going to get. It's like a mini diploma kind of a thing. I am going to give you the knowledge. Okay, and this is a real time projects, all real time projects, which you can mention in your resume. That is what you are looking for, to get shortlist your resume, to clear the interview. All sorts of real time project only. Okay, that you can mention. If you are fresher also, you can join this course. If you are experienced also, you can join this course, right? Even if you have more than 10 plus years of experience also, you can join this course. Every day it's going to benefit you, I can guarantee on that one, guys. Already people are started getting on that part. uh let me take the other question. I can see there are so many questions come, but quickly I can take the questions. Mayank Sharma sir, I have 5 years of experience in system administration, but applying for a lot of companies, I am unable to get any calls for interviews. Please help me with this issue. Just now I told you, Yogesh, Mayank, sorry, Mayank, the same problem the person was having. I have explained him how to apply. Okay, how to make your resume, how to highlight your keywords in resume, what are the different channels through that you can apply for the jobs. Okay, where you can get the calls, right? Where and all the networks you have to join, right? Everything I have explained in this career counseling playlist. Okay, there are so many videos like that. You can go through, read. If you see the title, you will come to know, you will get your answer how to do it. Okay, Yogesh, so good evening, sir. Once finish 100 days of Linux, good maximum. How much salary can I get? Bangalore and Chennai, sir. Okay, so it depends upon your again. The multiple factors are there. Once you finish your 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, Yogesh. So first, I'll take your mock interview. You need to confirm me whether you want to go for a DevOps engineer role, whether you want to go for a site reliability engineer role, whether you want to go for a Linux admin role, whether you want to go for a cloud engineer role. First, you need to let me know. Okay, I'll take your mock interview, and then only I can comment on that one, how much salary you are going to get. Okay, I hope this answer your question. Rahul Biskarma, I think Rahul, you have asked same question again and again. Uh, Karthik Raja, the same question, Yogesh sir. Any software knowledge need to learn? Shell scripting, sir. Software, no, miss, you mean to say any coding knowledge, right? Right, Yogesh? No, you don't need any coding language. Once you are good in Linux, you will be able to do the shell scripting. I said it comes by default. Linux comes, shell scripting comes by default with shell scripting. Okay. Praveen Patil, sir, I am a graduation complete from commerce background. I work monitoring team. I monitor ATM machine with help of monitoring tools. I want to do a job in Linux. Yes, you can do it, Praveen. You have first knowledge of monitoring tools. Now you should know the three-tier architecture. Okay, you should know your operating system, right? You should know the automation and all. You will be already getting into Linux, correct? So there is 100% chance of, Praveen, that you can get into Linux easily. You can get, because monitoring knowledge you have already, right? And what type of a monitor, whether you are using Zabbix, whether you are using Splunk, whether you are using Grafana, or whether you are using Prometheus, or whether you are using right, elk and all, which type of monitoring tool you are using, or whether you are doing L1 monitoring, knock monitoring. These things you need to tell me, guys, right? And then according to that I can suggest you, Praveen, correct? But as of now, yes, 100% you can switch to Linux job. Okay, if you have monitoring knowledge. Sheikh, sir, okay. Sir, what is the difference between platform engineer, cloud engineer, SRE, production support, and application support? Okay, sake. Okay, very honestly, I'm telling you, uh, there is a very slight difference. Okay, these are just names. Okay, these are just like how I can tell you. It's like see, skill set wise, four skill set is mandatory. Okay, one is your Linux, another one is your shell scripting, database is there, and your cloud knowledge is there. Okay, if you have on premises knowledge also, like virtualization and all, that is also very good, well and good. So if you know all these four skill set, okay, very strongly, you are going to fall into any of these roles. Single answer to your question. Okay, so that is what. But if I just now I have explained what is a platform engineer role, there is a slight difference is there. Now I'll tell you a very Sheikh answer to your question. Okay, biryani is biryani, right? Correct, Sheikh. Okay, so everybody eats biryani, correct? You need rice, right? You need all set of spices, right? You need everybody needs oil and that. So the ingredient is same. Okay, but if you go to different places, like if you go to Chennai or if you go to Tamil Nadu, right? So there is Ambur biryani is famous. The process of making is different. There also they need tomato, there also they need curd, there also they need onion, there also they need ginger, garlic, chicken and all. Whatever, if they are making a veg biryani or a non-veg biryani, right? So the ingredients is same, but making process is different. Okay, so answer is very simple to you, Sheikh. Okay, that if you take it in Tamil Nadu, it is call it as a Ambur biryani. If you go to Kerala and all, it's going to be Malabar biryani or something like that, right? There is a different name for that one. I eat all types of a biryani. If you go to Andhra, you'll get Hyderabad biryani. If you come to Karnataka, you will get Donne biryani, right? Or if you go to Uttar Pradesh, you will get, so different types of biryanis are there, correct? So see, ingredients is same, correct, but the way of making is different, correct, and they have given a different name. But the basic, that is what I am telling you. If you have knowledge of Linux, if you have knowledge of shell scripting, if you have knowledge of your database, if you have knowledge of your cloud engineering, complete cloud knowledge, okay, so whether you mix with, suppose you mix Linux, shell script and cloud, now you mix cloud, shell script, database, now you mix, see, so like this only, these roles are there. Understand my point, Sheikh? Very honestly, I'm telling you, the base, the foundation is same. Okay, only the mixing is different. Correct, right? So if you take an example of cars also, Sheikh, right? There are, but in every car there will be an engine, right? There will be tires, steering will be there, right? Correct, so like that you can give. Hi Abhishek Jai, I want to know the, like, once I join the membership, whether you will be conduct any online classes related to the queries which I have in particular topic X. No, very honestly, Jay, for that you need to join my batch. Okay, but if you have doubt in like LVM concepts, or and if you have any queries that you are creating something, like you are trying to create a LVM, okay, but you are not able to create that one, so I'll answer those questions. Okay, but classes I am not going to conduct in career counseling, basically in that priority membership. That is what it's clearly mentioned. For that you need to join my online batches, Jay. uh okay, hi sir, audible, easy. Okay, Jay, where are you from? Okay, I am from okay. Okay, so Jay, I born and brought up in Jharkhand. Okay, basically, you can say, and but I have been to a different places in, basically, I would say in India for my learning, right? During my job and all, but I got settled in Bengaluru from last 14 years. Jay, okay, so now this is, I can say, This is the place, and I belongs to Karnataka as of now. Okay, but I born and brought up in Jharkhand basically. Yeah, I hope this answer your question. Sir, 100 Linux question is enough to crack the interview? Yes, more than sufficient. Okay, Beast, your name is coming as a Beast. Okay, okay, you are also from Bangalore. Good, 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 good. Kannadagi. Okay, good, good. Okay, so that is what, guys. So I told you, I think I have covered most of the questions, right? And if I have missed any one question, I request them that send me a mail to abhishek88roshan at the rate of gmail.com. But again, I am doing the announcement for all of you guys. 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp online batches. It's going to start from the month of January. Please go ahead and register yourself. How you can register yourself? Post again, I am going to put it in my community post with the URL, with the Google Doc form. You guys can read that one, and then you can submit, and you can mention over there the course duration. As I said, 6 months it is there, but it can be finished earlier because the course content is huge. I am going to cover each and everything in that 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Okay, so again, I am going to paste that Google Doc form over here. Please go ahead and register yourself, read everything, right? And the batches, it's going to start from month of January, maybe second week or third week. That depends upon the current batch which is going to finish now, because in this batch only DevOps is pending. Rest Linux is finished, shell scripting is finished, database is finished, AWS is finished, right? Only thing is pending DevOps tools, monitoring tools. That's it. With real time project, I have already explained. Okay, so hardly one real big, it is really a big migration project I am explaining. I have explained in AWS. Please go through that one. You will get entire idea of your AWS infrastructure, guys. With real time project, I have explained entire AWS in that one. Okay, so yes, it is there. Hope. Now another thing, this is one announcement. Another thing is, guys, today is the last date of my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp recorded videos. Listen very carefully, and in the FAQ also I have mentioned. Okay, and the offer is going to end by tonight. So please go ahead and buy that course with 999 only. I am not sure when again the offer will be live, but go ahead and buy that course. That is the second announcement. Okay, this is the two announcement. I don't want to make you confused, guys. Okay, and I have here all your questions. And those who wanted to connect with me, those who wanted to go for the mock interview, those who wanted to go for the career counseling, please join my channel membership. Priority membership. Listen again very carefully. My channel priority membership. Membership name is priority membership. Okay, please go ahead and join my channel priority membership. Then you are able to go for the mock interview, for the career counseling, or if you have doubt, that suppose you are going through some topic, okay, and in your environment, in your working environment also, you need some kind of a knowledge or a support, so those questions you can ask to me. Through that, I am ready to answer your question. Correct. So this is the announcement. Now at the end, I can tell you, guys, those who have still not subscribed my channel, there is huge content, there is so much of content is available in my channel. Please go ahead, subscribe the channel. That is what support I need it, so I can come up with more and more, okay, content like that. Correct. So anyways, this journey will be go on and on and on, but your support is required, guys. Without your support, I am not going anywhere. I believe my viewers is my god. Okay, so please, and I am listening to everyone. I am trying to answer everyone whatever the time I have in my hand, according to that, because I am the only person who is doing everything. Correct. So my humble request, guys, please go ahead and subscribe the channel. I need your support, right? So if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel, right? That is what. If you have any suggestions, please send me a mail also. I am keep on asking. And if you need any type of a content and all that also, you can send it to me through my email ID. I am here, I'm going through all the comments and all. According to that, I'm making the content also. Hope. Okay, so guys, we are coming to the end of this session, right? This 30-second live session. Those who have wanted to listen again, okay, they can go and listen to this live session. If they have any doubt, they can send me the mail. If they have any doubt, they can join my priority membership. Okay, everything I have explained in this video. Okay, so thank you guys for staying connected with me, right, in this live session. Just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.